Okay, here's a card trick I picked up on Facebook. It's see if I can find your card. Okay, I'm deal you 15 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Deal myself 15. Okay, take the 15 cards here and divide it up into 2 stacks. Okay, now I ask you to pick a card out of the deck here. I don't know what it's going to be. Now suppose you pick this card here out. Oops, I don't know what that card is. That's your card. You're going to take your card and put it on one of your piles there. All right, and then I'm going to take one of my decks and cover your card. And then I'm going to take an indicator card here and mark on one of my cards here. All right, cover it. Oh, Jack of Hearts. And then I'm going to take the smaller stack. This was left over here. Cover my card here. And then take this whole stack and cover this card here. And see if I can find your card by dealing left to right. I'm going to lose confusing here, but my indicator card is to the left, so I discard these and do the same thing. Repeat this process. Indicator cards to the right, discard these. And card to the right, discard these. Discard these. This was my indicator card, and this is the card that you chose from the beginning. Let's see if that's correct. I won't know until I watch the video. Hope you like this card trick. Oh, Joker. If not the Joker, I won't know until I watch the video. Thank you for watching. And I credit Sean Heydon for doing this trick. Thank you all.